Best deals.
1. Cookware set. Has a tough construction with a 3-layered base that cooks the food evenly and quickly. The chemical-free and food-safe tri-ply stainless steel frappan and kadhai for cooking your favorite food in it because it does not react with your food. Its heat distribution factor helps to preserve 85% of food nutrients. For sure this will be the best triple stainless steel combo that you will ever find. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Steamer. Designed for making soft idlis, mini idlis, dokla, modak, dumplings, and steaming vegetables. Perfect for preparing healthy meals with minimal oil. Comes with 4 idli plates with 9 idli slots each along with a mini idli plate, allowing you to cook multiple idlis at once for family meals. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel that is rust-resistant, durable, and safe for everyday kitchen use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Mortar and pestle set. Can be used to grind garlic, nuts, pills etc. A great, modern design that will look great in any kitchen or pharmacy, are made of food-grade stainless steel. It not only resists rust but also resists damage and corrosion of acidic foods. A translucent cover prevents waste while preventing splashing. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Oil strainer. Is designed for clean, efficient, and reusable storage. It features a fine mesh strainer that filters food particles, keeping oil fresh. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tea infuser. Is designed to cater to your preferences. It's suitable for brewing a variety of teas, from traditional black or green tea to herbal or fruit infusions. With its compact size and spill-proof lid, this infuser is perfect for brewing tea on the go. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you are. You can adjust the amount of tea leaves and steeping time to suit your preferences. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Casserole. Advanced laser-etched honeycomb pattern ensures effortless food release and prevents sticking, allowing smooth cooking and easy cleaning without scratching or wear. Made from food-grade, premium 304 stainless steel cooking pot resists rust, stains, and odors. It also provides a thick base for even heating. Wide, riveted handles. Comfortable, balanced grip. Moves safely from the hob to the table. Vented lid for controlled steam. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Lunch box. Free from BPA, ensuring no harmful chemicals leach into your food, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Features a stainless steel lid with clamp fitment and airtight seal, keeping food fresh and locking in flavor and moisture. Unique locking system with unbreakable, detachable clamps. Each container includes one extra free clamp inside. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Dokla maker. The plates are easily removable from the stand, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. Prevents sticking and ensures better hygiene after every use. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Puttu maker. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for sure. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use and urban lifestyle. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Tawa. Crafted with precision, the tawa features an extra thick 3.5 mm tri-ply base that excels in retaining and distributing heat evenly across the cooking surface. This ensures that your dosas and other dishes cook to perfection every time, with no hot spots or uneven browning. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tope. Made from 100% food-grade stainless steel, which prevents rusting. Serves cooking requirements of one person as well as a full family. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Lunch bag. Keeps food hot or cold for extended hours, preserving freshness. Built-in divider ensures mess-free compartmentalization of different foods, keeping them fresh and spill-proof during transport. Comes with a premium stainless steel spoon and an elegant, insulated bag for convenient, portable dining. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Kadhai. Stay cool, sturdy stainless steel handles, comfortable to hold even when pan is hot. With an extra thick tri-ply construction, this pan retains heat exceptionally well. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Squeezer is made with ultra-strong high-quality alloy, with the perfect metal composition for no corrosion or rusting in unbreakable tank status. This easy-to-use and easy-to-store lemon squeeze tool is built like a tank. It will last literally a lifetime, no more bulky, hard-to-clean juices crowding the decor of your home bar or kitchen. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Matka stand. Designed to hold matka pots for water, clay pots, or water dispensers, the stand ensures your water pot stays secure and accessible. Includes a stainless steel tray to catch spills, making it a practical matka stand with tray for clean and organized use in your kitchen. Stand for kitchen blends seamlessly with your home or countertop, making it a reliable pot stand for water pot or even for decorative pots. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Ghee container. A perfect multi-purpose storage container. Can be used for oil, ghee, lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean. Lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean. It's easy to store in kitchen cupboards. Highly durable and made of fine quality stainless steel, are crafted to give your kitchen and dining space a spark of elegance. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Lunch box. Made from premium food-grade stainless steel, ensuring meals remain free from harmful toxins, chemicals, and contaminants for a healthier dining experience. Advanced locking clips ensure a tight seal, preventing spills and leaks, keeping food fresh and intact throughout the day. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Strainer. Keeps your kitchen free from splashes because it helps control oil while you cook. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Containers. Transparent window lets you identify contents instantly without opening the container. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Milk frother. Double-layer stainless steel mesh plunger gives a very thick foam for your milk in less than 30 seconds. Moreover, the plunger mechanism is very smooth and very easy to use. This manual pump coffee frother will easily fit into your kitchen, allows for easy spill-free pouring, comes with glass carafe measurement markings, and is very easy to clean. Frother comes with a neoprene sleeve and a cleaning brush. Moreover, the neoprene sleeve protects your milk frother from accidental damages and scratches. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Serving plates. Versatile size suitable for small meals, like a single roti with sabzi, larger snack portions, cut fruits, salads, or as underliners for bowls. An ideal set for individuals or couples seeking versatile plates for light meals and entertaining. Built from heavy-duty stainless steel with a fine mirror finish, ensuring durability and a premium look on your dining table. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Trivets. Made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Capsule canister. Featuring a clear acrylic window on the front, it offers easy visibility of contents at a glance, while the airtight seal keeps food fresh for longer. The sleek capsule shape not only looks modern but also makes it easy to store in cabinets or on countertops. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Citrus juicer. Enjoy fresh juice every morning. The 180W copper motor uses less energy and is quieter than a traditional juicer machine, perfect for busy moms. 3 versatile cone sizes for all citrus fruits. Juice maker comes with cones for oranges, lemons, and pomegranates, making it easy to switch between fruits and ensure every juice is packed with nutrients. Effortless operation and quick cleanup. Simply plug in, press down the ergonomic handle, and enjoy a full glass of juice in less than 3 minutes. Busy moms will love the dishwasher safe parts for quick and easy cleaning. Hygienic and durable materials. made from BPA-free plastic and 304 stainless steel. This orange juice maker ensures high hygiene standards and long-lasting durability. Includes 2 pulp filters for smooth, delicious juice every time. Quiet and dependable for daily use, operating at just 73 decibels, this fruit juicer machine is as quiet as an office, allowing for peaceful juicing. The drip stop spout and 500 ml container prevent messes, making it reliable for daily use. The pressure lever juicer gets more juice effortlessly without getting your hands dirty. Automatic startup by simply pressing the cone with the fruit. The lever is made of aluminum with rubber grip. Includes a stainless steel filter and a filter with adjustable pulp regulator. It has 2 cones of different sizes suitable for all types of citrus fruits. Juice oranges, lemons, grapefruit, citron, limes. The juicer is fully removable juicer for easy cleaning. Its parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Chopping board. Is made of high quality stainless steel. Easy to cutting and chopping, easy to clean and healthy. Food grade stainless steel cutting board, perfect for all your chopping and cutting needs in the kitchen. Countertop chopping board giving modern look to your kitchen. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Soap holder. Made of anti-rust stainless steel, including your dishwash or detergent bar. Drain grooves allow excess water to drain out, making your soap last longer. Adhesive-based magic sticker is 100% water resistant, making your wall-mounted soap dish retain its durability even when in regular contact with water. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Hooks. Are waterproof, oil-proof, moisture-proof and heat resistance. The ultra-strong adhesive has max load up to 10 kilograms. This heavy-duty adhesive transparent hook meet your needs in the living room, bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, garage or any other spaces. Each item is meticulously crafted with heart. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Stand mixer. Upgrade your kitchen game with our stand mixer, featuring a 1500W motor made with 100% pure copper. Designed for powerful performance and long-lasting durability, it effortlessly handles large dough batches, making baking and cooking tasks easier than ever. Sleek and space-saving, the stand mixer fits effortlessly into any kitchen without compromising power or performance. Perfect for maximizing counter space while delivering professional-grade results. Enjoy full control with 10 adjustable speeds for precise mixing, kneading, and whipping. The pulse function adds quick bursts of power, perfect for easily achieving the ideal consistency. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Cooker. The automatic whistle indicator is crafted for a convenient and precise cooking experience. The weight lifts and turns to the numbers inscribed on it for every pressure release episode, indicating the number of whistles. This ensures easy counting of the whistles while cooking. Stainless steel layer for even heat absorption and distribution. Non-contact aluminum core for better heat absorption. Inner satin stainless steel layer for easy cleaning and no charring. The lids of the cookers are crafted with a froth collector to collect the overflowing water, enabling hassle-free cleaning and safe cooking from accidental spills. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Rice strainer. The smooth surface and compact design of our rice pot with strainer lid make it easy to clean and store, saving your time and space in your kitchen. Rice pot comes with a hands-free drain stand, providing stability and ease of use during the draining process. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Potato slicer. Machine is an excellent product for use in homes, restaurants and hotels. This stainless steel potato cutter can be used to make twisted potato chips, tornado potatoes and vegetarian snacks. It features a tornado or spiral cutter, adapt to different degrees elliptical and irregular surface cutting fruit, slip rubber feet, stable placement and stable operation, easy to operate and save more time. High-quality stainless steel material with excellent performance and durability, safe, harmless. Create fun, twisted treats with this stainless steel spiral potato cutter. Effortlessly transform potatoes into delicious tornado potatoes or spiral chips. A must-have kitchen gadget. Get perfect spiral potatoes every time. This manual cutter is your go-to potato twister for crispy, homemade snacks. Easy to use, easy to enjoy. Designed for commercial kitchens and food service businesses, this heavy-duty potato chip cutter machine quickly and efficiently slices large quantities of potatoes into uniform chips. Made from durable stainless steel, it ensures consistent results and long-lasting performance. This potato twister machine comes complete with sticks, allowing you to create and serve perfect tornado potatoes. Simply insert the potato, twist, and fry for a delicious and eye-catching snack. Perfect for food vendors and home use. Quickly and efficiently produce large quantities of bataka chips with this commercial-grade machine. Designed for consistency and durability, this machine is perfect for food businesses looking to streamline their chip production. Product link is given in the 31st link.